Hey folks, Alamanik, the HotRodHippie here. It's Tuesday. That means it's Tool Tip Tuesday, the video series where I show you tools that make my job easier and I think you should check out. So, let's check it out. So in today's video, we're taking a look at circle templates. I know this seems like an arts and crafts supply because, well, it is an arts and crafts supply, but if you're fabricating, if you're making custom things, this is an invaluable tool. These really serve a lot of purposes. You can use them to create radiuses for different parts. You can use them to measure a hole to figure out what size fastener you're going to need to put in there. You can use it to figure out what size hole saw you need for a part. Maybe you stick it through there. Oh, looks like it fits through the 3/4 inch hole. I need a 3/4 inch hole saw for this part. Or you can use it to go ahead and mark out and drill templates. If you're marking where you want to drill a hole, these come in a lot of handy for that as well. I use these things constantly when I'm working on sheet metal projects, on fabrication projects. I use them to lay out holes most commonly, and for radius shapes, if I'm, say, making a shock tab and I want it to have a radius to the back side of it, I might use one of these instead of a French curve. One of my favorite features of these is the crosshair design that they have. On the outside of the circle are little check marks, little notches that show you actually the cross section of that circle. So instead of trying to find the exact middle of a circle, these can help you do it very easily. You don't have to break out the squares, break out any math. Just go ahead and lay it on there. Mark where those 4 little spots are, and then use a straight edge to draw lines in between them, and boom, you found the center of the circle. That is the most common thing I use these for. Or if I'm laying out something and I know where I want a hole to be, but I'm not quite sure what size I want it to be yet, if it's just going to be, say, a speed hole, just trying to aesthetically clean something up, I can use these. I can line up off of the lines I lay out with a square, use those check marks again, set this thing up right where I want it, draw my circle, step back and take a look at it and see, maybe that 1 3/4 hole is a little too big for this part. I'll dial that down to an 1 1/4 hole. That's really handy because often I'll lay something out and I'll think, yeah, 3/4 inch hole will look really good there. So go ahead and lay it out where I think it needs to be. I'll use this, I'll put that 3/4 inch hole on there and step back and look at it and go, 3/4 is going to be too close to the edge of that part. I'm weakening it. I need to leave a little more material there. Step down to 5/8, step down to 9/16. I have those options on here. There's a whole bunch of holes on here to really help me out. I use these things all the time. Anybody who's trying to do fabrication work, bead rolling work, make their own bracketry, you need to pick up a set of these. I really recommend them. You can find a link down in the description if you want to order them online. You can go to your local arts and crafts store to pick them up. Go to your office supply store, look in the drawing section. You're going to find these. They are very, very handy tools. Alright folks, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have circle templates? Do you have ones you like better than these ones? What do you use when it comes to drawing out circles? Grab a coffee can and trace around it? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.